Okay, so my name is Kelly, and I came to the Brill Eye Center because I've had dry eye for my whole life, honestly. So I started wearing glasses when I was in the 4th grade, and as I got older, I really wanted to wear contacts and be able to not have things that would bump into my glasses all the time. I work with children, and so it was really annoying that they would always hit my glasses or take them off and throw them. And so I really wanted to wear contacts, and I tried many different kinds of contacts over many different years, and I just never tolerated them. And so when I came to the Brill Eye Center, I told them that was one of my big goals, and they did a whole bunch of testing, which I had never had testing for dry eye done before, but they did all this testing to really scientifically decide what was the problem with my eyes. And so rather than put me on these expensive medications that I had heard of before, they said my problem wasn't that I didn't have enough tears, it was the fact that my tear ducts didn't allow me to produce enough oil for my eyes, which I thought was really interesting because I'd never heard of that before. But their recommendation was that I do this treatment called LipiFlow. And so I did the LipiFlow treatment, and really within 24 hours after doing it, I was able to tolerate wearing contacts. And so ever since then, I've been able to wear contacts. The contacts that they prescribe for me, I take out once a week, and I'm able to wear them 24 hours a day after that. I would say probably the best thing about wearing contacts now for me is I have a 2-year-old daughter, and so I've been wearing them since she was about not quite a year old. And so when I started wearing contacts, all of a sudden when she would wake up in the middle of the night and she would be crying, I could just jump out of bed and I could go get to her and I could pick her up and I could see everything that was going on rather than have to fumble for my glasses, kind of reorient and then get myself over in there. So I felt a lot more confident in the middle of the night when I would have to wake up with my daughter. And so I'm a little over a year, almost a year and a half after I've had this treatment, and it's been fantastic. So I would highly recommend it to those that are looking for a solution.